What's up, guys? Ryan from the MXG channel here, back with another Battle of the Boxes where we take your leading moto dirt bike subscription boxes and unbox them so you can see what's in them, if you think it's worth it to subscribe, which one you like the best, etc., etc. So we've got MotoDLVRD, we've got PrimeMoto, and we've got BraapBox. We're doing it a little bit different this month. We're doing it with a POV setting. I thought it might make it kind of interesting. So let's see what's in MotoDLVRD. I like their tape, Ride for Life, MotoDLVRD, got the skeleton, the helmet and goggles on. All right, got the Ride for Life MotoDLVRD sticker. FMF, defeat the competition. Pretty cool. So we've got some socks there. These are their thumbs up socks, white and black striped with the skeleton thumbs up. I'm not sure what it says. Hauling ass, pinning it, something. You got a brake and shift. Pretty cool. We've also got a MotoDLVRD beanie. Pretty cool, kind of a original toboggan style, and that is sewed on, so that's pretty cool. Some paper, and then underneath there we have our vehicle drying towel. That's pretty cool. It's a good sized towel too. It's 18 by 24, so it's you can tell it's like a nice, almost like some kind of nice microfiber or something like that. So yeah, very cool. That's it for this month of MotoDLVRD. Let's check out PrimeMoto. I'm just gonna say the PrimeMoto box feels heavy this month. Oh, and now I see why. Loaded down with Rhino Power. For you supplement guys, looks like we got the motivation and pre-race sample packets. This is a Rhino Power shaker. I know I've got several of these. And we've got an complete bag of their chocolate protein non-GMO powder, guys. This is good. I actually like the vanilla a little better than the chocolate personally, but most people seem to like the chocolate. So these are not cheap, I will tell you that. I don't know the price off the top of my head, but for you guys wanting to get started with supplements, this would have been a really nice kit to get started with this month. Your motivation, your pre-race, your shaker, and your protein. Just mix that up with some milk or something, and you're good to go. All right, let's see what's in the BraapBox. This one also feels kind of heavy. Oh, nice. Summer's right around the corner, and a wash mitt. This is really nice, and this is a Muck Off brand. They make all kinds of cool wash stuff, but this one is kind of similar to that dry towel in the other box. Really nice material here. So you're gonna wash, then you got the bug net side over here. You can definitely never have too many of these. Every time I'm looking for one, it seems like I can't find it, or it's dingy and I need to pick up another. That's cool. Answer gloves. Nice, in the size we signed up for, of course. Racer X magazine. You get a Racer X magazine in virtually every BraapBox, which is pretty cool. I mean, this is a $6 value right here. Rhino Power hydration fuel. Nice. So we get a little supplement with the BraapBox too. What is this? Moisturizer, nice. Aloe vera, shea butter, and sunflower oils. Sweet. Athlete Performance and Muck Off Motorcycle Protectant Post Wash. So I actually haven't seen this stuff by Muck Off. Protect, preserve, and freshen your motorcycle with our incredible water dispersing action. Prevents dirt adhesion between washes. Nice. Leaves a sparkling finish. Might be something kind of similar to SC1, so kind of pumped to try that out. Oh, they put some black stuff in this box. That's nice. We've got our BraapBox ring. So if you're not familiar with these little infinite phone rings, They have like an adhesive thing on the back. You can stick it to a phone or a small electronic device, and then you can hold it kind of like a pop socket, except it's the ring. And this one has the BraapBox logo on it right there, so very cool. Got a BraapBox keychain. It's got the crossed pistons. It's like acrylic. Multiple BraapBox decals. 4 of them there, just there, 5 of them. And then an SC1 air freshener. Definitely can't go wrong. That's it for this month. Pretty sick, guys. I want to hear your comments, though. I'd love to hear some more feedback from you guys on which box was your favorite, which box gets the most value. I think the Moto Delivered and Prime, I believe, are 54, and the BraapBox is 59. You can subscribe to these boxes 1 month, 3 months, a year, get discounts doing so, and they make awesome gifts. So I'm going to put the links to these boxes down below, and if you got any questions, comments, please leave them, and I'll be checking there. Thanks so much, guys. Ryan with the MXG channel. See you in the next video.